Bye room. So sad. Where's Cody? Oh, I'm gonna miss you so much, Cody. Okay, now he's playing. Little 9-month-old pups. Everything packed and it's so early. 6:06 a.m. There's stuff full of my stuff. Cody, I'm gonna miss you so much. Okay? I don't think he knows what's happening. Just packing up for the next year. Freshman year, man. Crazy, crazy. Almost forgot this bad boy. Have I? Aww. And off we go. We just packed everything up and now we're leaving. LA traffic. Finally past LA traffic. We drive like this for the next
Heartland.
How much longer do we drive like this?
4 hours.
Like 4-hour drive like this now. How are you?
Doing well.
Doing well. I just took a little nap. Almost there. Okay, hello everyone. Today is move-in day and we stayed in a hotel last night because we got here yesterday. But we're gonna leave pretty shortly and move into my school. Crazy. See you guys there. I'm gonna go drive over and I have way too much stuff, so we'll see how this works out. Let's go. Stuff that car. Our cool rental car. Do you like it? And we're off. Hello, what's up? This is before. I think Shona might need help taking more stuff upstairs if you want to.